So first, I'm going to guide you through a meditation so we can get those creative juices flowing. So find a comfortable place and get into a comfortable position. You can turn down the lights, or you can just close your eyes. We're going to start by taking 5 deep, slow breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Now imagine yourself at the top of a flight of stairs with a door. With every slow step you take, feel yourself getting more and more relaxed. When you get to the door, you open it and you enter your ideal nature sanctuary. It could be anywhere you choose: a beach, a forest, a garden, anywhere you feel relaxed. It could be somewhere real or imagined. Use as many senses as you can. Take a moment to take a look around. Pause and listen to any sounds. Listen to the birds chirping or the breeze gently blowing. Perhaps you can smell the sweet scent of flowers or the salt in the sea. Imagine touching objects and make them as real as you possibly can. Explore your nature sanctuary and enjoy it for as long as you wish. Take a walk to a magical lake and throw in a stone. Watch for swirling images in the ripples. In this relaxed state, you will start to find creative thoughts and ideas flow to you. Don't try and force it. Just allow creative thoughts to come to you when and if they are ready. Just enjoy your time in your nature sanctuary. Keep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And take one last look in this sanctuary you have imagined. Only when you are ready, I will invite you to open your eyes and slowly come back to the room you are in.
Hi everyone, it's a beautiful spring day today, and I was thinking we could make some art with nature. For the main activity, we're going to go collect some natural objects from either your backyard, your front porch, or any green space that you have around where you live. Just make sure you're social distancing while you go outside. I'm outside of my friend's family cottage, and I've got this bucket, and I'm going to go collect any objects that I like. Found some seashells that I kind of like, and I'm just gonna put them in my basket. I really like this piece of pine, so I think I'm gonna take it. And I'm thinking some acorns might be interesting. Found some pine cones. Just some mini little pine cones. Aren't they cute? You can even take some rocks from parking lot or the front of your yard or anywhere near you. So for this part, you're going to need some cardboard. I used an old pizza box, as well as your natural objects that you found outside. I have decided that my nature sanctuary will take the shape of a nest. I like nests because they symbolize comfort, protection, and they can nurture me. Once you've found a shape that you like, you may take glue. I'm using carpenter glue, and you can take each piece of natural objects and flip it over and glue it down onto the cardboard. You are also free to add some artwork to the piece if you feel compelled to do so. I decided to paint a bird and put it in the center of the nest. The bird represents me inside a nest, which is my quarantine home.
So here is my final product, and I think I'm pretty happy with it. If you feel like it, you may also add a background. I felt like it would look nice, but again, everything is optional.
So if you have a notebook or a piece of paper and a pen, I'd like to encourage you to answer some journal questions. So the first journal question is,
What does this place feel like?
the second journal question is,
What do you like about this place?
and the third journal question is,
If you could guess what you emotionally need right now by looking at your nature sanctuary, what would it be?